Agriculture is the most important activity to the people of our state living in rural areas. The good and timely monsoon during this year has evoked lot of interest and enthusiasm in agriculture among the people. The consumption of urea and other complex fertilizers is likely to go up in the state. Write a letter from the Secretary to the Government Agriculture Department of Andhra Pradesh to the Joint Secretary Union Ministry of the Fertilizers New Delhi requesting for enhancement of fertilizer quota to the state by at least 50%, also request releases in time. Letter number 2. With the onset of summer, intermittent power cut has become a routine affair. March and April are the months in which the students prepare seriously for the examinations. Load shedding during the night time is causing great inconvenience to the students who are preparing their examinations. Being then Secretary of the Andhra Pradesh Students Federation, write a representation to the Minister for Power requesting for postponement of power cut to the domestic sector till the completion of examination. Letter number 3. There are more than 500 houses in the country colony in which you are residing, but there is no fair price shop in the colony. The residents are forced to travel a distance of 2 kilometers to procure the essential commodities. Taking advantage of the distance, the dealer is diverting the quota allocated to these families to black market and exhibiting the no stock board. Being the president of the Welfare Association, prepare a complaint against the dealer to the district collector. Also request for the opening of a shop in your colony. Letter number 4. Sri Rama Industries is holding its annual general meeting to consider and adopt the accounts for the previous year, to approve the profit and loss account, to consider the appointment of auditors for the ensuing year, and also to fix their remuneration, to appoint the new directors in place of those who are retiring, and also to consider the issue of raising additional capital through partly convertible debentures. Books of holding will be closed from the date of notice till the completion of meeting. Prepare a notice to the shareholders indicating the date, time, and place of the meeting. Letter number 5. The Cricket Association of Andhra Pradesh is conducting an All India Cricket Tournament. The final match between Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu will be played at Lal Bahadur Stadium, Hyderabad. The audience are expected to be more than 1 lakh. Then winning team will be presented with the A.R. Reddy Memorial Cup by His Excellency the Governor of Andhra Pradesh. The Chief Minister will present a memento to the man of the match. Film personalities are expected to grace the occasion. Write a letter from the Secretary of the Association to the Director Doordarshan Kendra Hyderabad for an extensive coverage of the function and match. To be condensed the following. Inaugurating the Labour Ministers' Conference, the Prime Minister said, I extend a warm welcome to all of you to this conference of Labour Ministers. Indeed, I feel happy to be here to inaugurate this conference because in the present context of economic P73 development, Labour force play an important role. Being the ministers for labor, a great responsibility rests on you shoulders to motivate the labor force and make them contribute their best for the economic upliftment of this country. I am happy to find that this conference has set for discussion the subjects which are highly relevant in the present day context of economic development. You are aware that education plays a vital role for the all-round development of human beings. Education is the most effective means for bringing about the well-being and welfare of the labor force, which constitute a major percentage of our population. Unless the labor force is educated, they cannot take advantage of the latest skills, as a result of which the quality and quantity of our industrial produce will come down. Without education, our labor force is prone to lose sight of their nutritional requirements, leading to ill health, which is not good for the family and also the industry. The uneducated labor force is more likely to fall prey to the greed and selfishness of the trade union leaders, who sometimes make use of the workforce for their personal ends, realizing that it is only the education that creates awareness and makes our workforce a productive asset of the nation. Government has set apart 10% of our national income for the education of labor force. Being the ministers for labor, it is up to you to devise effective schemes to utilize this money for the advancement of our labor force. Another important area for discussion by this conference is the migration of our labor force. Migration of people from rural to urban areas in search of employment has not only national but also international ramifications. This is resulting in congestion in urban areas and is contributing to the pollution. There is need to evolve an effective strategy to combat this migration from urban to rural areas.